tonight I will be discussing the Gettier problem. Edmund Gettier is a 21st century philosopher who opposed the Western traditional justified true belief account of knowledge. So his first case, it goes as follows. Smith and Jones were two men. Smith, I believe, had justified knowledge that Jones was going to get the job, and Jones had 10 coins in his pocket. Unknown to Smith, Smith also had 10 coins in his pocket, and he was the one who actually was going to get the job. So truth can be justified, but it does not necessarily mean that it is, knowledge can be justified, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it is truth. And the next case is the barn facade. So from the road Henry's driving on, the facades look exactly like real barns. Henry's belief is justified according to Henry's visual experience. It justifies his belief. He was lucky enough to be pointing at the real barn. However, under other circumstances, he could be wrong. He saw what appeared to be a barn. If Henry had noticed one of the barn facades instead, he would also believe that there's a barn over there. So Henry's justified belief isn't true, because he believed that every single barn over the road was real and they were just facades, but luckily enough he was pointing at the real barn. So does the concept of reliability need refining? Like, an example is vision may not be reliable when discerning barns. How do you know which cognitive faculty is most reliable in what context? And what counts as reliable justification for a belief? Whatever belief you have is from something that exists. So I'm going to be speaking about the significance of the Gettier problem. It is possible for one to be justified in believing something false. And there are the three types of Gettier cases. S reasonably infers true conclusion from false premises that is believed with justification, which is a Smith and Jones case. Being justified in believing something false is not knowledge. Knowledge requires truth. S believes true proposition with justification for belief. However, the belief is caused by something other than the truth of the proposition. Belief not founded on true conditions is not knowledge. All Gettier cases have double Lux structure designed to contradict JTB false construct.